nice machine. This came from a good customer. He's retiring. That's good. Still got a little bit of grain in it. Just come out of the barn. This is the way she's come out, man. She's clean. He's had her setting inside. It is a small 1000 PTO side auger. The auger's still got life left in it, but it's not new. That bottom auger. Carts you made in Illinois, they're good carts. Let's go ahead and unfold that. I don't know if we can see those augers are comparable. They look like they've been replaced maybe. The outlet auger, the tires are excellent. Got them in tread tires, got the right kit on it. Fender kit. It's just a nice little, if you guys want a nice little cart now, it's a nice cart cut from a good home. He's probably one of the pickiest gentlemen that I've ever done business with, and his place shows it. It's very nice. All this stuff looks like this, and he keeps it like that. But like I say, it's just come out of the barn, and it needs to go back to somebody else's barn, and I don't have the room, so we're going to sell it absolute on the auction.